Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video you are going to learn to set up an amazing automation which is designed and created to streamline and level up your hiring process. So let me show you how it is going to work. So here we have taken the example of Recruitee application, which is a collaborative hiring tool used by many HRs and recruitment teams of many companies. So here you can publish a job. That means you can from this application you can list the job opening on many different job listing websites. Okay, and as and when you are going to unpublish a job, that means you remove that job opening from the job listing websites, a message will be delivered to your team on Telegram automatically telling them that we have found a right candidate and the job listing is closed now. Okay, and here you do not have to manually see an unpublished job and then manually type a message for your team and deliver it here. It is going to happen automatically, and to make this happen we are using Pabbly Connect, which is a integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge, so anyone can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So the first step to create this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account, and for this you can check the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, and after setting up your account you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And on this page guys, you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So here I have given the name to this workflow or as on unpublishing a job in Recruitee, notify team on Telegram automatically. Okay, now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay, and on this page guys, you will find these two things. First, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger this workflow, and the action is the response toward that trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be unpublishing a job in Recruitee application, and the response or the action towards that trigger would be to send a notification message to your team on Telegram about this job unpublishing. Okay, so first of all you have to set up your trigger here. So from this choose app field in trigger, you have to choose a trigger application which is a Recruitee in our case. So select Recruitee. Okay, then select the trigger event as job is unpublished. So it will trigger this workflow when a job is unpublished or archived. Okay, and it will give you this Webhook URL. So this URL is used to fetch the data out from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so we are going to make the connection with the Recruitee application with the help of this URL. So you just have to follow these instructions written here to get it done. Okay, so let me just show you how it is possible. So you have to first copy this Webhook URL by clicking on copy like this. Okay, and then you have to go to settings in Recruitee, then apps and plugin section, you will find Webhooks tab, and under this you have to add a new webhook. Let me show you the process. Here is my dashboard of Recruitee application, and I am in the settings section. Okay, on the left hand side panel, on this bottom left hand side you will find the settings, and under this settings panel you can see, when you scroll down here you will find this apps and plugins option, this apps and plugins. Okay, and under these apps and plugins you will find this Webhooks tab. Click on Webhooks. Okay, and under this Webhook section you have to click on this add new new webhook button to add a new webhook. Okay, so here you can give a suitable name to this webhook setup. So I'm giving the name as to Telegram, let's say, or to team. And in the post URL section you have to paste the Webhook URL that you have copied from your Pabbly Connect's workflow, this one. Okay, so you have to paste it here in this post URL field. Okay, and after that you have to check this box, job unpublished box. Okay, so check this box, click on it, and then click on verify and create. Okay, so you can see a new webhook is set up here. Okay, and here you can see in Pabbly Connect it is showing us the response as test 1, value. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to click on this recapture webhook response button and then click on yes, and it will start showing this waiting for the webhook response again. And so this means you have to do a test submission or a test record. So in our case, the test submission would be unpublishing a job in Recruitee. And as you unpublish the job in Recruitee, the data of that unpublished job will be fetched here in this response section of Pabbly Connect. Let me show you how. So I'm going back on the dashboard of Recruitee, and here I'm going to click on jobs. So here are the job openings currently published on the various career sites. You can see this HR executive job is published and a digital marketing job is published. So from here, I'm going to unpublish this job, the HR executive. So I'm clicking on this published on career sites, and here I'm clicking on close for new candidates. Okay, confirm. And now this job is closed for new candidates, so it is removed from the career websites, right? Now let me show you in Pabbly Connect if we got the data regarding this job. And here you can see in this response received section, we got the data of the job unpublishing like this. Okay, here you can see the event type is offer unpublished, and this is the job department's name. Okay, so this is how you can get the data of an unpublished job here in Pabbly Connect. After that, I want to, as and when any job got unpublished from Recruitee, I want to send a notification message to whole of my team, which is present here in Telegram. So this is a group of my team I have in Telegram. You can see Team Pabbly. Okay. So for that to happen, you have to connect Telegram application in this Actions tab. Okay. So from this choose app section of Actions tab, search for Telegram bot. This is Telegram bot. Okay. And in the action events, you have to select send a text message or a reply option. Okay. Then click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection option. And here it will ask for this token to enter to send the message. Okay. So to make the connection with Telegram. So guys, here you have to create a bot in Telegram, which is going to deliver our message on our behalf. So to create a bot, you can follow these instructions written here. Okay, let me show you how you can create it. So I'm going to my Telegram application, and from the search bar, search for bot father. Bot father. So you'll find this blue ticked bot father when you search for it. So click on it, and here you have to send this bot father a message, which is /new bot. Here you can see, type /new bot and send it, and you will receive this reply. You can see, all right, a new bot. So how are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. Okay, so you have to choose a name for your bot first. So I am giving the name to this bot as Recruitee bot. Okay, so we have given a name to this bot. Now it is asking for now let's choose a username. So now you have to give a username for this bot, which must end like this, Tetris bot or Tetris_bot. So it must end in bot. Okay, so I'm giving the username as Recruitee_bot_1. Sorry, I have given the wrong name. Sorry. The bot should be in the last part. So I'm giving the name again, Recruitee_1_bot. Okay, so you can see a new bot is created for us. It is written here, done, congratulations on your new bot. And you will find this bot at this address, and here you will find this access API token to make the connection with Telegram. So just copy this token from here first. Okay, just copy this token from here, right, and paste this token here in this field in Pabbly Connect, and then click on save. Okay, and you will be connected with Telegram in a few moments like this. Okay, we are now connected. And guys, you have to do one thing more. You have to add this bot that you have created. Let me show you this Recruitee bot. You have to add this bot in the group in which you want to send the message. So you have to add this bot in this group, and that you can do easily with the help of your smartphone. Okay, so I cannot show you this, but I'm going to add this bot in my team Pabbly group. Okay, so I have added my Recruitee bot here in this group. Now let's see in our workflow. So now it is asking for the chat ID of the group. Okay, so to find the chat ID of the group, you can follow these instructions. So you have to reach your group that you have opened in Telegram web, and in that group, in the URL section, you will find this kind of URL, and after this equals to mark, you will find this string of numbers, and use that string of number as the chat ID. Okay, let me show you. This is my group team Pabbly I have opened in Telegram web, and in the here in this URL section, you can see here we have this string of numbers here after this hashtag. So I'm just copying this number. This is actually our chat ID. Just copy it and paste it here in this chat ID field in your workflow. Okay, now it is asking text message. So here you have to put the message that you want to send to your team. Okay, so let me type the message here. So here you can see I have typed the message like this: hey team, the job opening dash is closed now, and here I am going to map the data that we have received from the first step. So in the first step, we have received the data of a job unpublishing here like this. So here we have this offer title. Here we have the job position. So I'm going to map this label here in this job opening. Okay. So when you click here, you will find this Recruitee job is unpublished step in the drop down. And from here only, when you click, let me show you. When you click on Recruitee, you will find all the details that you have received in the first step. So from here only, you can map the job title, and I can also map the department, so it would be very clear to my team. So you can map the department as well. Okay, right. So this is a kind of message I want to send to my team, and you can enable the notifications for this message. Okay. And if you're sending any links, you can make it disable or enable, but right now we are not sending any links, so I'm making it link preview as no. Right now you can check your connection with Telegram by clicking on save and send test request, and as I'm going to click here, a message will be delivered to my team on this group here. Okay, let me show you. So I'm clicking on save and send test request now, and this is a kind of response you have received. You can see here. Okay, and here you can see we have received a new message in Telegram group. Okay, and the message is this. So it is delivered by Recruitee bot, and it is saying, hey team, the job opening HR executive in the department human resources is closed now, happy hiring. So this is the same message and the same data that we have mapped here. Okay, and this is how it is going to work in real time. Okay, and we are done setting up this automation. Let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So guys, first of all, in the trigger section, I connected Recruitee, and with the help of this Webhook URL, I connected it and fetched the details of a demo job that is unpublishing on Recruitee like this. And after that, I connected Telegram bot in the actions tab. Then we have created a bot with the help of these instructions. Then I have added that bot in the group that in which I want to send the message. And after that, I have typed the message like this. And we have seen that our connection is working fine. And guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, and you have to set up this automation only once. You have to make the connections in the action and in the trigger and the action only once, and you have to map the data only once. So when you map the data like this, what will happen whenever you unpublish a job in real time in Recruitee, this data is going to change accordingly, and a new message with the fresh data will be delivered in your group. Okay. So after setting up this automation, you don't even have to look at this workflow. And let me show you a real-time example actually. So this is another job that is published in Recruitee. Let me unpublish it too. So I am unpublishing this second job position also. I'm closing it for new candidates. I'm confirming it. Okay. And here you can see in Telegram, we have received a new message, and it is showing, hey team, the job opening for digital marketing in the department marketing is closed now. Here you can see that the name of the job and the department is changed here in the message. So this is how it is going to work. Isn't it amazing, guys? And guys, you can use this same workflow that I just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.